Shruti. Today I am going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. So let's get started. So now I am going to take a colored paper and I am going to fold it diagonally. Like this. Make sure the edges are sharp. To make another diagonal fold so that we get a cross in the middle. Now I am going to hold this paper in such a way that the open side will be facing me. Now I'll put my hand inside this paper and make a diamond shape here. I'll do the same on the behind. Take this flap and fold it to the middle. Here and open these two flaps and tuck them inside. So to do this, I'll open the first flap and put them inside according to the crease I made before. I'll follow the same on all sides. I'll fold this up and this will be the flap of the bird. I'll do the same on the back side. Now I need to make the face and the tail of the bird. there is a possibility that the flaps may tear.